Okay, so this one is a PlayStation-like UI implemented in Angular and also server-side NestJs. The idea is that I can run it on my Windows PC as a wallpaper to make it look same as PlayStation 4 basically. It's just my side project, one of the recent ones. So it's pure JS, like no canvas, no 3JS, stuff like this. It's just some CSS transitions and yeah. So yeah, like this stuff runs as a Windows wallpaper using some special wrapper, and it also communicates with a local server that is written using like Node and NestJS. This local server communicates with Steam API and Twitch API to get the images for the games, and also it is able to it reads from the file system like which games are actually installed, and also able to launch games. Like when I run it on Windows PC, I'm able to launch games. Like for now it's on Mac, and I just replicated file system folder structures to set the Steam locations and stuff. But yeah, idea is that I can launch games from this UI, so it is actually a working solution. So it can be controlled from the wireless controller, like I mean this Xbox controller or stuff. Yeah, like let me demo it quickly. So I was very obsessed with making proper animations and trying to make them look as similar as possible to the original PlayStation 4 animations, and some sounds as well, like if I refresh, for example. So you see this transition, which is pretty cool. I also have this behavior of speeding up scrolling. Transitions are very similar to PlayStation UI. So those are actually installed games, like that I'm parsing Steam config files, and those in gray are not non-installed games, but owned games that I get from Steam API. Like it allows getting the games that I installed. So even though I'm recording screen now and I have a lot of stuff opened right now on my MacBook, it's working pretty fast, no lags. I was considering rewriting it to like some 3JS or like basically WebGL thing, but for now it's fine, I think. Yeah, and launching for now is just animation. If I launch it on Windows PC, it will be the actual launching. Yeah, just basically I'm calling the Steam launcher with parameters of the game ID. Yeah, so it can be controlled either with keyboard or with mouse or with gamepad. Pretty simple project, but looks very cool. Okay, I don't know, like maybe some code, not much to to show in the code. Just a lot of CSS transitions, and some of them are very weird. Like for example, this border animation, which like on outside looks very simple. It took me a bit of time, but just I wanted to make it as close to PlayStation 4 animation as possible. It's kind of two borders on the outside of this. Some CSS hacks. Okay, yeah. Just one more relaunch.